Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge. Any company, institute or organization requires the person in particular position to run it progressively so that the company's product or service is going in the best way. There are many types and levels of professional position that are integral to company operations. From executive level professional to entry level employees, these job titles involve the specific tasks that contribute to the company's success. In this video, we explore several key company titles and discuss what their responsibilities are and how they help a business succeed. First, we broadly classify job titles into three categories: upper level management, middle level management, and lower level management. Now let's see the job titles in the upper level management. First position in any company, that is the chairman. The chairman is responsible for leading the board and focusing it on strategic matters, overseeing the group business and setting high governance standards. He plays an important role in maintaining the effectiveness of the board and individual directors both inside and outside the boardroom. Now second position after chairman, that is the board of directors. The board is made up of the people who ultimately control the direction of the company. They are mostly elected by the business stockholders. The chairman plays a lead role in the board of directors. A board of directors is responsible for protecting shareholders' interests, establishing management policies, overseeing the governance of the corporation or organization, and making critical business decisions. Now next position, that is the Chief Executive Officer, or it is also called the President. The CEO is the person who takes full responsibility for the overall running of the business. The CEO is responsible for long-term strategic planning, and everything that the CEO does drives changes to enhance the business growth. CEO is the head of all C-suite level positions in a companies like a Chief Operational Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Chief Information Officer, Chief Marketing Officer, Chief Human Resource Officer, and Chief Technological Officer. Now next upper level management position, that is the Managing Director, means MD. A managing director is responsible for the overall management and day-to-day operation of a company or organization. They develop and implement the strategies and plans to ensure that the company meets its goals and objectives. They also oversee the work of department heads and other senior managers. Managing director typically report to the board of directors. They may also be responsible for developing and maintaining the relationship with the key stakeholders such as shareholders, clients, partners, and suppliers. Now let's move to the middle level management. In a middle level management, first position is a Chief Operating Officer, means COO. The COO, sometimes known as the Vice President of the Operations, is typically the second in a command in a company and reports to the CEO. This person manages and handles the daily business operation of the company and works closely with the department heads and supervisors to support the day-to-day activity of employees. Now next position, that is the manager. One of the most widespread job titles in a company is manager. Managers play an important role in the overall success of a company. They are responsible for leading a team of employees to meet goals and achieve performance metrics. Managers play essential mid-level business roles in a company. Managers are further classified as a general manager, senior manager, managers, assistant managers, etc. based on their job profile and seniority. Here are some common management level jobs in a company, such as marketing manager, product manager, project manager, human resource manager, and financial manager, and other. Now HR, human resource. The HR department is an important part of any organization. The HR staff members in this position work on important tasks such as conducting performance reviews, identifying training needs, managing payroll related tasks, and hiring or firing an employee. In a large organization, the HR department consists of several team members who report to their manager based on their specialized task. Now it's time to see the entry level or lower level management. In a low level management, first position is a supervisor or a team leader. A team leader provides the guidance and instruction to a working group about a project or a portfolio of projects. They are in a charge of delegating work, overseeing a progress towards goals, solving any problems that can arise when people work in a group, and coaching them members as needed. Now next position, foreman. The foreman is responsible for being the point of contact between the construction workers and supervisor. A few of the main duties of a foreman are coordinating tasks for the day, creating schedule for workers, overseeing the quality of the site, and managing the budget. Now last position, employee or worker. They fulfill assigned tasks, meet management expectation, and contribute to goals and objectives. Employees' primary responsibilities include executing routine tasks and collaborating with the different team members. In this video, we have discussed all the basic job positions in a company. To understand all job positions and their responsibility, it's become useful to expand your business with the best management. Bye bye, take care. We will meet soon with another interesting topic. Till then, keep watching Knowledge. Like the video, share this video, and don't forget subscribe this channel. You can also visit the Knowledge by following the other platforms.